Hello there, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to make a VIP only door in Roblox Studio. So let's get started. First, build your VIP door. All you need is a simple door frame and the actual door part. Although you can add a VIP zone behind it if you want. And so, add an apart for your door after you've finished building your frame. And I'm gonna make mine black. And make sure to rename your part door and put it in replicated storage. And remember to anchor all of your parts. Now, in Starter Player scripts, add in a local script. In this local script, make a variable for the player and set that to the local player, which is the player who is running their script on their client. Make another variable for marketplace service and set that equal to game : get service marketplace service. After you've done that, make a variable for the door but before you make a variable for the door, make a variable for replicated storage. And set that to game : get service replicated storage. And so set the door equal to replicated storage : wait for shower door to make sure the door has loaded when the script checks for it, so it doesn't have an error. Now make one last variable for your game pass ID. I'll just paste in the ID of my Game Pass for my Game Pass ID. And now, all you need to do is this: door.parent equals game.workspace. And if marketplace service : user owns Game Pass sync, and go player dot user ID, and then paste in your ID, and then door.canCollide equals false, else you can just set door.canCollide to true. Now if you click play, if you created the pass, which if it's your Game Pass. I think you would have. You should own it, and so you should be able to go straight through the door. But if we just change this Game Pass ID, and we change the Game Pass ID to a different ID that you don't own, then if you click play, you won't be able to walk through it. You'll just go splat against the door. Bye, and thanks for watching.